And it came with a bench seat, you said, and then you changed it out?
Yeah, I put the factory buckets in it. I did them in the factory blue vinyl and the factory stitching pattern. So.
And you said originally it came with a tilt steering wheel.
Oh yeah. Yeah, tilt, tachometer, factory air.
Hey, it's Tom Gallagher and another edition of The Story Behind the Car. I'm with Byron, and this is his 1973 GMC Sierra Grande. And I just was captured by this truck earlier, and then luckily Byron's out here cleaning it up. Wow, I didn't even notice the wheels earlier, Byron.
Yeah.
What is the wheel and tire package that you have?
It's a Raceline Classico wheel.
Okay.
19 by 9s on the front and 20 by 12s in the back.
Wow.
So.
And this is the original paint?
It is.
Yeah. And you were saying you live in Idaho?
Idaho.
Yeah. And it came with a bench seat, you said, and then you changed it out?
Yeah, I put the factory buckets in it. I did them in the factory blue vinyl and the factory stitching pattern. So.
And you said originally it came with a tilt steering wheel?
Oh yeah. Yeah, tilt, tachometer, factory air.
Wow.
And it's got all the original interior in it with the exception of the seats. So.
And 36,000 miles, you said?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Yeah, and it's a factory 454 big block pickup with a turbo 400, which turned me onto the truck to begin with, and then the factory wood grain.
Yeah.
I love the wood grain.
Now, not to be rude, did you trailer it down or did you drive it?
I always trailer them, yeah.
Do you? Yeah, it's so clean. It's amazing.
Thank you.
And how long have you owned it?
I've had it about 3 or 4 years now.
Yeah. And second owner, third owner, do you know?
It's had several owners. The truck was bought new in Denver, Colorado, and then the truck ended up coming over here and then back to Idaho. So.
And what was it used for? Was it just a truck before?
I think whoever bought it obviously bought it for, I think, a camper, because it's got a disconnect on the on the outside of the cab, I think, where they could kill the power to it. And the bed, the inside of the bed, with the exception of the scratches on the floor, there's no dents in it.
Yeah.
So.
And zero rust.
And it has 3 fuel tanks. It's had 2 on the other side and 1 there. Because
I saw that, and then
these old big blocks don't only get like 6 miles to the gallon. So.
No wonder you trailer it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I saw and I thought, okay, is that a fuel? And then I saw this, and I thought, well, this is confusing.
Yeah, they obviously burned a lot of gas.
Yeah.
So.
But in '73, the gas hadn't started going up too much yet.
No.
Man, this is beautiful.
I've got all the original documentation in the glove box too.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And was it hard to source the seats in the
seats
center console?
The seats are a little hard to come by just because they're kind of rare.
But,
And then I had a set that I bought that had the old covers on them, so I had the new seat covers upholstered in the same stitching, same pattern. So.
And I just noticed the cargo lamp across.
That's another option for the truck.
Yeah.
So.
Very wild.
Yeah.
And can we see the engine?
You bet. It's got all the original tags on the motor.
Yeah. What drew you to the truck?
The wood.
Yeah.
The wood grain.
Yep.
So it's got all the factory tags here still. It's still got the warning sticker on the overflow tank. And then the SPID sticker, which is basically the build sheet.
Yeah.
Still on the fender. And then it's got the original tag still on the brake booster.
Oh, wow.
Or on the brake cylinder, master cylinder.
Master cylinder.
So.
And the same way with the AC, I see. Wow.
Yeah, it's a time capsule, and that's really what drew me to it, the low mileage.
Yeah. And I see you're in the top 100 of Dino's Get Down.
Yeah, I was fortunate enough to get picked by C10 Vatos, a local group of guys here. So.
And coming down, did you think you would get any?
They actually mail the top 100 token to you.
Oh, really?
They see your truck on Instagram. If they like it, they pick you. So,
yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice. And do you get a shirt as well?
Yeah. Yeah, I just haven't put it on yet.
Yeah.
So.
Well, this is really nice. Any other quirkiness that you'd want people to know about?
I'm going to show you all the original documentation.
Yeah.
It's got the temporary plate from 1972 when the truck was bought.
And I was asking you about the wood, and you said it's been replaced. The
original wood grain's still under the truck. But
yeah.
See, it's still got the original dealer tag from 1972.
Wow. Holy cow. And then Colorado, yeah.
Yeah, and then here's the the plate,
Yeah.
the envelope from the dealer. So it's always cool to have this old documentation to go
And
with
is that
the truck.
dealership still in business, do you know?
No, I checked them out.
Yeah.
I didn't see. They might have been renamed. It might still be there under another name.
Yeah, they get bought out. I'm in the, I do a lot of work with car dealers, and
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Yeah, but it's got all the original carpet in it, original door panels.
That's the original carpet.
Yeah.
I didn't ask you earlier because I figured it was replaced. That is amazing.
Yeah.
Man. And
Yeah,
all the way
to find one of these low mileage, 1973, most of these trucks rusted.
Yeah.
So to find one with no rust, low mileage, factory big block, 454, turbo 400, factory wood grain truck, with that low miles is just,
It doesn't
you don't
happen.
come by them that often. So
I do want to show the gas tank from the other side. So you got this one. How big are the tanks?
You know, I don't know. They've been taken out. I got the 2 saddle tanks, so they're probably 19 gallon.
Yeah.
So.
At $4 a gallon.
Yeah.
So wow. So I was shooting. Poppy's Patina has a booth here.
I seen that.
Did you see the gas doors? So they've got gas doors on both sides, and that's the exhaust.
Oh,
so
really?
when they rev it up, the gas doors.
Oh, that's cool.
let
They
the
open up, huh?
Yeah. You'll need to go over and take a look at it.
Sure.
It's pretty wild. Well, Byron, thank you so very much.
Hey, you bet.
Greatly
Nice to meet
appreciate
you.
it. Yeah.
You bet. Nice to meet you.
I'm just going to back up and get the beautiful, with the sun hitting it. So thank you again, Byron.
You bet. Thank you. Thanks for stopping.